Now, if you know me, you know I like my barbell Romanian deadlifts for building size and strength on the hamstrings and glutes. However, they can be quite complicated to master, and oftentimes people butcher them with the outcome being a sore lower back and nothing else. So here are 3 reasons why that might be the case. Number 1, letting the bar drift away from the body. Not only does this prevent you from maintaining a straight bar path, which can limit performance, but it also doesn't allow you to keep the lats engaged to stabilize the weight. Instead, keep the bar close to the body with the lats locked and strive for a straight bar path. Number 2, not using hip drive at the top. Here, I'm looking up, which can influence my spine to arch excessively, and once I reach the top, my lower back stays arched. Instead, keep the chin tucked to maintain a neutral spine, and on the lifting part of the rep, thrust the hips forward into the bar instead of lifting with an arched lower back. And number 3, going too low. As you can see, after a certain point, I cannot maintain a neutral spine, and I end up flexing and extending my spine to get the extra range of motion. In order to stretch the hamstrings and glutes, you need to sink the hips back to bend over, only lowering the weight until you cannot push the hips back any further and maintain a neutral spine.